Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best cute dressy tops for women available in the market right now. It's the blooming jelly women's white blouse with a V-neck and ruffle sleeve. This blouse has been gaining a lot of attention for its stylish design and versatile wear. Let's get right into why this top could be your next favorite. First off, let's talk about the design. This blouse is crafted from chiffon, making it lightweight, flowy, and incredibly soft against the skin. It features a flattering V-neck and charming ruffle sleeves that add a touch of elegance to your outfit. The Swiss dot decorations further enhance its loveliness, making it suitable for various occasions. The material composition is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, which not only ensures comfort but also makes it easy to care for. Just toss it in the washing machine. Whether you're heading to the office, a casual outing, or even a summer party, this blouse promises to keep you feeling comfortable and looking chic all day long. Now, let's discuss styling. This blouse pairs effortlessly with skirts, jeans, or even high-heeled shoes, offering a timeless appeal that never goes out of fashion. Whether you prefer a business casual look or want to dress it up for a more formal occasion, the blooming jelly blouse has you covered. Speaking of occasions, it's perfect for a wide range of settings, from business meetings and office wear to vacations, parties, and everyday casual wear throughout the spring, summer, and autumn seasons. Its versatility truly sets it apart. To sum it up, the blooming jelly women's white blouse is not just a piece of clothing. It's a versatile wardrobe essential that combines style, comfort, and elegance effortlessly. Whether you're updating your work wardrobe or looking for a chic addition to your casual attire, this blouse ticks all the boxes. If you're interested in adding this beautiful blouse to your wardrobe, I've included the link in the description below where you can check out more details and make a purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay stylish.